Hey everybody, welcome to another video here. Today I'm going to do some kind of a exploratory type of painting, and I'm thinking big, guys. I'm thinking big because if you want to make it as an artist and you want to make money, you gotta extend yourself. You got to be thinking big. You got to take chances. You got to be bold. You got to say, man, if I mess this up, I mess it up. But you know what? You'll never know until you try it. So today I'm experimenting. I'm nuts, I know, but I'm going to try this, and hopefully it'll come out okay. Now, I try to put this on my easel, but it's just not gonna happen on the easel, so we're gonna screw it down to the table here, man. I know this sounds crazy. We're gonna do that so it doesn't move around. So I'm gonna put a screw here. Right into this table. There we go. I anchored that in. I'm not screwing the canvas in, I'm screwing it into the table. Okay, so that way it doesn't move on me. So if you have a table to mess up, do that. And look at this big old blade here. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I'll talk about that in a second. I'm going to move right here for a second. I'm going to anchor this too. I think I'm going to anchor only in the center. Let me see. I don't want it to move, but I don't want it to get in the way when I'm pulling the blade. You know what? I'm going to risk it. No, I'm not going to risk it. Right in the center. We're just going to go a little deeper with this one. There we go. See, that way it doesn't move on me. So we're going to only add one anchor there just to make sure that it doesn't slip around, move around, slide around, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so, and as you can see, I put little dollops of paint, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white. Okay, so, and we're going to create a zigzag movement. So we're going to call this like a crazy black and white, crazy wavy gray painting. Okay, so anyways, we got to do a couple of things before we do that. We're going to get some Wagner fluid, because that's going to extend the drying time and cause it to move easily. So I'm just going to pour that on the canvas. Get a big wide brush, house brush preferably. I like house tools. I'm going to wet this canvas down. I also have some in a spray bottle. That'll help move things around. Anyways, yeah, just kind of wet it. Kind of like using magic white, you know, like for a Bob Ross painting. You want it nice and slick. Otherwise, the canvas is too dry and it won't move along real easily. So you want it kind of slick. You want to create a nice little slick surface. Not too slick, but wet enough so where it carries your colors in your paint. Okay, here you go. Pretty good. Okay, that's about all you want to do. Put the lid on this thing. Okay, Wagner fluid. It's kind of like Flow Easy or Floetrol and all that, but it's a little bit more, it dries a little bit slower. It extends your drying time by about 50%. Anyways, put it in spray bottle too. Okay, so like I said, let's gear up. Let's see if we can get in the mood here. Let's relax my nerves a little. All right, feeling it. Like I said, man, if you want to do great things, you gotta extend yourself as an artist. You gotta push yourself hard. Go beyond the normal specs of things. You can do this. Okay, so there's my dollops of paint. Oh my God, just cross your fingers, guys, because if I F this up, we F it up together. Never done this before, so it's a new thing. Okay, I'm just trying to eyeball everything. Well, here we go. All right, guys, here we go. Kind of push it down, put a little pressure. Oh my goodness, It's not working too great, but we'll just keep going back and forth. Here we go. As long as we get a cool design, that's what we're after. Oh my God. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Got a little caught up on that screw there. Maybe that might happen. Oh my God, and we'll fix that. We'll keep going. See that black is here. Line it back up on that black and that white. Give it another shot here. Just gotta kind of keep thinking outside the box, you know what I mean? Look at that, guys. It's looking really cool. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove that screw because it's kind of getting in my way. Nothing's perfect, but you know what? You gotta try things sometimes. I mean, it's a really cool abstract as it is, but I want to kind of line this block up a little more. There we go, right there. And get that little bottom a little bit more. A little darker. Equal pressure. Oh, God, I like it now. Now I'm going to get it and smooth it out from the other side. Just kind of. Oh my God, you guys. That is so freaking cool. Isn't that cool, man? I just dig it, man. And I think I'm going to get some black and silver webbing on top of that. Oh my gosh. Let's get some over here. Oh my God, that is so freaking cool. Let me go get my silver, hang on. Back in business. Back in business. Go this way. Vertical, horizontal. Oh man, you guys check that out. It's a beautiful mid-century piece, all striped. Look at that. Isn't that wild? Not exactly as wavy as I wanted, but heck man, you gotta try things, guys. It's still a great piece. I'm happy with it. And wow, like I said, if you want to do things, you got to think big. You got to stretch yourself to the limit. You got to make things happen. And that's what you do, you know. If you want to make it and sell art, you got to think big. You got to go forward. You know what I'm saying? Oh, anyways, hope you dig it. It's a cool piece. Peace out, Foltz Art. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.